What doesn't this car have? My name is Jamie from Cars here in Pablo, and we're walking through this Model S P100D with Ludicrous Plus mode. Let's take a look. So instantly we've got our P0s on there, which is the best tyres you can get on there for something like this in my opinion. Your Model S branding right away and your P100D so people know not to mess with you. Electric boot, an absolutely ginormous boot area. I mean, that's probably 2 large suitcases and 2 small carry-ons in there. There's a reverse camera there along with all the other cameras and sensors it has on the vehicle. These absolutely enormous 21-inch alloys. So the features on this vehicle are absolutely, the list is extensive. I think that's the only way to put it. I think that I could be here all day talking to you about what this can do. However, I'll walk you through the basics. So you have your modes here, your Ludicrous Plus involved there as well. You've got your steering controls, everything else like that. In terms of software, we're on, I'm just going to cover the VIN, so 43,350 miles. We've got the full self-driving computer and the premium connectivity included, as well as the information here. So we have plenty of other fun things that we can do here, but that's a different video. Armrests that slide forward and back. I must admit, the white leather absolutely pops in here. We've got the suede roof as well, the Alcantara roof, it looks fantastic. Sunroof right here, which you can control from your infotainment system. I mean, it's pretty rude calling this an infotainment system. This is a full-on computer iPad thing. And also some lovely extra, almost like Apple smart cover for iPad. Just the finishing touches have been immense. Carbon fibre on the dash here, just giving that extra sporty feel. Beautiful stitching. It's just something they've just got absolutely bang on is Tesla, is their interiors. I think they're fantastic. Coming to the rear, 3 ginormous hugging seats. I mean, you do need to sit in these to really feel what they can do. They are amazing seats. Isofix on the left and the right, nothing in the middle, of course. And controls and charging here for the rear passengers. The door cards, non-existent, just a control and a handle here. Okay. So that is a quick overview of our Model S that we have in stock here currently. Obviously, there is far more to go over on this vehicle, so if you do want to find out more, come and have a look. Feel free. We've got a great team on hand that can help educate you on things like these. We are very excited to have this vehicle in. It is an awesome vehicle. The Ludicrous Plus mode is something that just genuinely needs to be experienced. So if you want to come and do that, give us a call with the number on screen, or visit our website where you can see vehicles like this and many others on our website. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.